This is Nick right here. He's almost about to jump this long. Took him about 30 good minutes just to get that far, cause he got this. He's almost there. Look at him. He actually shocked. He's not that scared now. Look at it, 1 foot at a time. One. Yup, that's gangster boy right there. He got this. Only got 33 seconds left. Probably might have to use another one.
Only three soldiers will be out.
Oh, yeah. Rex. And me, of course, no. I'm non-flaker. 30 minutes, I swear, this guy took. Not on the log, but like trying to go. 13 seconds left. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Woo!